Hi, amazing day. Welcome to my channel, Make It Happen. What I learned from reading self-help books and what I realized. Kung gusto talaga nating mabago yung buhay natin, tayo mismo gagawa ng paraan para mabago ito. Napakahalaga ng mindset sa buhay natin. Ito yung set of beliefs that influence kung paano tayo mag-isip. It means what you believe about yourself impacts for your success or failure. But you can only fail if you don't try or if you quit. We need to open ourselves for improvement sa pinapakinggan, binabasa, at pinapanood natin. I-check natin at we need to evaluate. Take a moment to reflect on what you want to change and why. We need to admit our mistakes, learn from it, change, and grow. Take responsibility for our actions. Stop blaming other people. Identify